Welcome. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your Bit Integrations dashboard. Click on Create Integration. From this list, search and select the form you want to use as your trigger. Next, choose a specific task name, like WooCommerce Customer Create Form. Next, choose WooCommerce as the action. Now, click on the Connect button, and proceed to map the form fields. After mapping the fields, click Next, and save the flow. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, please fill out the specific form that you created with Bitform, and submit it. Step 3. Now open your WooCommerce dashboard, and verify that the submitted information has successfully created a new customer as expected. If the test is successful, the automation that creates new WooCommerce customers from Bitform submissions will be live.